This is Mike Azam with the Azam Group. We're here to present you 30100 Phillips in Wickliffe. This is a beautifully redone turnkey property in Lake County. Wickliffe being right on the border of Euclid, neighboring Cuyahoga County. We get the nice amenities of Lake County, lower taxes, high demand, and most importantly, this beautifully renovated home. 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, almost 1,700 square feet, plenty of space, and as I mentioned earlier, a ton of amenities in the area. We have a tenant found just under $1,700 a month, and they're set to move in the next 30 days. So whoever scoops up this property is going to be looking at instant cash flow. Let's go take a look inside. So as you can see here, beautiful open floor plan. We had this place professionally staged. Guys, I'm a big proponent of staging. Even for a turnkey rental, retail listing, this really helps brighten the place up, kind of just give more of a cozy, homier feeling. I'm pretty confident between the location, the size, and the staging, that's a big reason why we had a tenant placed in 3 days. We had a line of applicants here looking to lease this place out. It's very likely we even probably left a little bit on the table with our $1,700 a month rent, but there is some upside here. As a buyer, you're looking at potentially higher rent, and I was just explaining to our team, we were going to list this house at $2,099. As a turnkey investment, we're offering this to you at $190,000. There's an opportunity for instant equity. That's what you're gonna get with some of the properties that we have on our website. To allow us to continue with the same approach that we typically take, we're willing to leave a little bit on the table to create partnerships with our investors. And this is a case in point. Probably looking at $10,000, $15,000 in immediate equity, in addition to higher rent, and an excellent area that's going to continue to appreciate. Let's talk about the house again. We got beautiful living room with fireplace, open setting, opens right up to the beautiful kitchen, everything completely remodeled, brand new cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel sink, faucet, plumbing fixtures. We have mounted microwave, brand new vinyl plank flooring throughout the home. We have updated vinyl windows, updated electrical panel. Our electrician came in here and really revamped the system. New panel, new meter base, grounding, sub panel, switches, outlets. Really did a number on this house. We had our plumber come in, we had a bunch of plumbing repairs, valves, faucets, fixtures. What's great about this home is being a little bit younger and being previously owner occupied, it was already in relatively sound condition. We came in, spruced it up, added some nice cosmetic updates, really stabilized this asset. In terms of convenience with the interior, you have first floor bathroom, attached garage, which is a huge amenity in our cold weather. Being able to pull right in, automatic opener, walk right into the mudroom, right into your home. As I mentioned, you have first floor bedroom, which is great for somebody looking for a little bit more convenience. Bathroom right off of the bedroom. As soon as you come in, you open up to the main spacious living area with a nice little first floor office, as you can see. Great deal of space. This is not a typical rental property. I think another reason why we had such a high rental demand here, this sort of space is not indicative of the norm of the 3-bedroom, 1,100 square foot bungalows that you're gonna see. You know, we're talking about a 1,700 square foot vinyl sided colonial. Beautiful curb appeal. There's that upside in terms of rental demand. You're going to be able to find tenants quickly, very quickly. Let's take a look upstairs. We're standing in the master suite on the second floor of this home. Huge bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, all very good size. And as you can see, they're here. This one, very spacious. Again, not necessarily indicative of the norm in terms of rental properties. Ton of closet space, brand new interior doors, fixtures, hardware, and with the abundance of windows, we have beautiful natural light in here. It's great the way that this house flows. You're going right into the hallway with the other bedrooms, but there's still a nice separation of space between the master bedrooms and the secondary bedrooms. Bedroom number 2, excellent space. Again, updated fixtures, LED lights, plethora of closet space, great size. You have a ton of space here for a bigger family. And then the last bedroom, good sized room, plenty of space for a growing family. Let's go finish up the tour. We talked about convenience with the home. As I mentioned, attached 2-car garage. But what's great is you come in through the garage and you walk right into a mudroom. So you keep your coats and shoes separate, especially on a rainy or snowy day. You have your laundry area, a little bit of storage space. Excellent if you got kids, maybe a pet, and helps preserve the integrity of the interior. It's great for home or for tenants and for the landlord. You keep the house clean. That's a landlord's desire there, especially if you're looking to hold the property long-term. In the garage, we have an opener, which is good convenience for tenants. Updated the sub panel, as I mentioned earlier. Good sized garage, plenty of space for 2 cars. Again, another nice amenity for tenants. Let's go take a look at the backyard. So we have our first guest here, soaking up the shade. Good size yard, fenced in space. You've got a patio area. As I mentioned, a lot of updates as well. Windows, we have vinyl siding, younger roof here, nicely landscaped yard. You got a lot of indoor and outdoor space, especially with the covered front porch. These are good amenities for a tenant. These are good amenities for a home long-term. This is, again, another reason why this house leased so quickly. And you're looking at an opportunity for a high rent. Guys, that high rent, that gives you a little more room for error, okay? You have a lot more cash capital coming in, which gives you an opportunity here to get a little bit more creative in terms of how you're updating the home long-term, how you're maintaining the home long-term. This is this type of home that if you're looking to start a portfolio, I'd want to get into an A-class neighborhood, especially as a foundational piece to an investment portfolio. If you have any questions at all, want to jump on a call and discuss, looking for an opportunity to start your investment portfolio, we're here to help. Email, text, visit our website. We'd love to work together. theazamgroup.com. Feel free to reach out and talk to you soon.